everybody, and welcome to my kitchen. It's a very gloomy, shroomy day today, so I decided that I'm gonna spend this time and make some basil saplings, because it's very nice to have some herbs in your garden, especially ones that you can use for cooking. And I'm planting them in those little paper boxes so I can later on put them in the soil without, taking out the plant, which I hope will be very convenient. I haven't tried this before, so I'm very curious if it would work. And this little box is actually made of the toilet paper roll. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today, a little boxes and planting. So first thing to do is to obviously cut this. And I cut it like around halfway, not too much. But honestly, it doesn't really matter. So don't stress over doing it wrong. And then you just fold it to create a bottom, and that's basically it. It's very, very simple. It's eco-friendly, and hopefully it will work well. The next thing is to fill it up with some soil, and you don't really need a spade. You can just use a spoon, and that would probably way more comfortable. And there you go. Don't fill it up all the way to the rim, because of course you have to leave some space to cover the seeds. So now it's time for the seeds. And basil seeds are teeny tiny, so cute. And they just take like a few seeds, you can see on my finger, hopefully. And put them in the soil, and then I just cover them with a thin layer, like more or less half a centimeter maybe. And that should be enough. Then a little bit of water, tiny little bit. And you just wait and let them grow. And that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.